Computer science is a vast and dynamic field that has transformed every aspect of modern life. At its core, computer science is the study of algorithms, data structures, and the principles that govern computation. It encompasses various subdisciplines such as software development, artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity, making it one of the most versatile and relevant areas of study in today's technology-driven world. One of the most exciting branches of computer science is artificial intelligence, which focuses on creating machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions. AI has seen tremendous advancements in recent years, leading to innovative applications such as natural language processing, robotics, and machine learning. This technology is increasingly being integrated into various industries, from healthcare to finance, enabling smarter solutions and enhanced efficiency. The potential of AI continues to grow, and exploring its capabilities is an exhilarating journey for computer scientists and engineers alike. Another significant area of computer science is data science, which involves extracting meaningful insights from large volumes of data. With the rise of big data, organizations are leveraging data analytics to inform their strategies, improve decision-making, and understand customer behavior. Data scientists use statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and data visualization tools to analyze data and present it in a way that is comprehensible and actionable. This has led to a high demand for skilled data professionals, making it a rewarding career path for those who enjoy working with numbers and patterns. Cybersecurity is also a critical component of computer science, focusing on protecting systems, networks, and data from various kinds of cyber threats. As our reliance on digital technologies increases, so do the risks associated with hacking, data breaches, and identity theft. Cybersecurity experts employ a range of strategies, including encryption, intrusion detection systems, and risk management practices, to safeguard sensitive information. This field is not only vital for businesses and governments but also ensures the overall safety of individuals using technology in their daily lives. In conclusion, computer science is an ever-evolving discipline that plays a pivotal role in shaping our world. It encompasses a wide range of fields, each offering unique challenges and opportunities. Whether you are drawn to artificial intelligence, data science, or cybersecurity, a career in computer science is filled with potential and excitement. As we continue to embrace technological advancements, the opportunities for growth and innovation in this field are limitless, inviting future generations to explore the wonders of computing.